Assalamualaikum and hi guys. My name is Fadhli Ariffin bin Muhammad Shableee and I'm from BMMP Section 1 Stroke 2 and my metric number is B09201042.
Hello everyone, I am Lokasi from BMP Section 1 Stroke 2. My metric number is B0920100057.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AZRUL bin Muhammad SAED and my metric number is B0920101040.
My name is Muhammad AZIM bin ARAHIM from BMMP 1/2. Okay, my metric number is B0920100032.
So, we are from University Technical Malaysia Melaka is want to present about our assignment, which is free body diagram representation from actual structure for our course, which is BMMA 1333 Statics. The structure that we have choose is wall fan, and this structure has been approved by our lecturer to find the type of support and reaction force involved at this structure.
Now, I'm going to present the objective of this project. Firstly, students are able to draw free body diagram from actual structure that relate the problem. Next, students are able to develop the equilibrium equation from FBD. And lastly, students are able to analyze the force member from the actual structure.
So, from this structure, we need to draw the free body diagram to make easier for us to list down all the reaction force acting on the structure. As you can see here, we use AutoCAD software to draw out the free body diagram. So, after we draw the free body diagram, now we can solve the reaction force using the equilibrium of equation. But wait, before we solve all the reaction acting on the structure, first find all the dimension and some assumption at the structure. So, it will be explained by my friend.
Today I would like to discuss about our group assignment. The project of our group assignment is about wall fan. Firstly, we refer to this free body diagram. We can see that there are two different parts of the wall fan, which is the upper part and the lower part. The upper part we assume that is a weight, and the lower part we assume that as a support. Second assumption of our project is gravitational acceleration. The gravitational acceleration we assume that there is 9.81 meter per second square. Besides that, refer to this free body diagram, we can see that there is a moment at A. We assume that the moment at A is rotated according counterclockwise direction. Lastly, the moment which is rotated at counterclockwise direction, we assume that there is a positive moment. That's all about our assumption of our project. Thank you.
The calculating of reaction at spots is always the first step in analyzing for this structure, and it is generally the easiest. It involves calculating the reaction force at the support due to the force acting on the structure. When solving a problem like this, we want to first remember that the structure is static, meaning it is not moving. From simple physics, this means that the sum of the force in the y direction is equal to 0. That is, the total downward force equal to the total upward force. A second formula to remember is the sum of the moment about any given point is equal to 0. This is because the structure is static and therefore not rotating. So, this is the calculation look like that we managed to get from some assumption and unknown at all the forces involved.
For the discussion, we have about two drawing and also analysis the free body diagram. Next, we have such successfully to develop equation of the equilibrium to find the force X on the wall fan structure. Lastly, we are able to determine the unknown forces in the FBD of wall fan diagram for the wall fan. Okay, from that the free body diagram, we able to identify the forces on the wall fan FBD. Okay.
As a conclusion, the determination of forces in the structure is carried out by the process involved, which is moment acting on the structure, so that the moment reaction at the structure can be found. And lastly, the objective of this project have been achieved. So, that's all from our presentation. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.